My side hustle videos are a hit because you're taking action, but 73% of side hustlers get hit with surprise tax bills. I'm about to save you from the $3,400 mistake I made in my first year, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how much to save and what you can deduct. If you've got a side hustle, or you're starting one, this is the tax guide you'll want to bookmark. Let's start with the tax reality check. When I started freelancing, I was so focused on making money that I ignored taxes completely. I spent every dollar I earned. I assumed, like a regular job, taxes would be taken out automatically. But when tax season came, I got hit with a $3,400 bill from the IRS. No savings, no clue what I owed, just pure panic. If you earn more than $600 from any client, platform, or gig, the IRS expects you to report it, even if you don't get a 1099 form. This is where most people mess up. They assume no form means no taxes. Not true. Whether you got a 1099 NEC or not, the IRS still expects you to report that income. Quick question. What's your biggest tax worry with side hustles? Comment below, I'll respond to the top ones. Now that we've covered the reality, here's how to avoid that mistake. Let's talk about how much to set aside, and the percentage depends on how much you're making. If you make under $10,000 a year from your side hustle, aim to set aside 20 to 25% for taxes. If you're making $10,000 to $50,000 a year, set aside 25 to 30%. Over $50,000, you'll want to set aside 30 to 35% because now you're dealing with federal, state, and self-employment taxes too. Why so high? Because self-employed people pay both the employer and employee side of Social Security and Medicare. That's a 15.3% hit on top of your income tax. And if you expect to owe over $1,000 in taxes for the year, the IRS wants you to make quarterly tax payments. Here's how it works. Quarter 1 covers January to March, pay by April 15th. Quarter 2 covers April to May, pay by June 15th. Quarter 3 covers June to August, pay by September 15th. Quarter 4 covers September to December, pay by January 15th the next year. If you miss these payments, you'll owe penalties, even if you pay everything at the end of the year. Before I continue, quick reality check. Have you been setting money aside? Be honest. Drop your percentage in the comments. Now for the part that can actually save you thousands, deductions. Comment the word deduction if you didn't know about one of these. Deduction 1, home office. If you work from home, you can deduct a portion of your rent, utilities, and internet based on the square footage of your workspace. Deduction 2, equipment supplies. Laptop, microphone, camera, printer. If it's used for your business, it's deductible. Deduction 3, software and apps, Canva, Zoom, Notion, editing software, even a portion of your phone bill. Deduction 4, mileage. If you drive for business, track those miles. The 2025 IRS rate is 67 cents per mile. Deduction 5, education. Courses, books, conferences, or anything that helps you grow your hustle, all deductible. But here's the key. You need to track everything. I recommend using apps like QuickBooks Self-Employed, Keeper, or even a simple spreadsheet if you're just starting out. Create categories like income, expenses, and mileage. Every week, update it. Set a reminder. Make it part of your system. Here's your full action plan. Step 1. Open a separate bank account for your side hustle. This keeps business and personal money separate. It helps you stay organized and audit-proof. Step 2. Set aside your tax percentage every time you get paid. Don't wait until the end of the month. Do it when the money hits. Step 3. Track all expenses. Take photos of receipts. Use a digital system. The IRS loves documentation. Step 4. Make quarterly payments if you expect to owe over $1,000. Use IRS Direct Pay or EFTPS to send them securely. Step 5. At tax time, file Schedule C with your 1040. This shows your income and deductions. If you received 1099-NEC forms, include them. If you didn't, report the income anyway. One more thing. Most tax software doesn't optimize for side hustles. Unpopular opinion, but I recommend using a tax professional if your income is growing. It'll cost you $200 to $500, but they could save you double or triple that. This is the missing piece from my side hustle series. Comment tax ready when you set up your tracking system. I want to celebrate the action takers. Important disclaimer. This is educational content, not tax advice. Everyone's situation is different. Talk to a CPA or enrolled agent for personalized guidance. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss my next video. Thanks for watching the Wealth and Wisdom Academy. You're not just building income, you're building a financial foundation. Stay smart, stay intentional, and I'll see you in the next video.